Scientists agree that the world is heating up. Global warming describes the greenhouse effect. Certain gases allow short-wave radiation from the sun to pass through them unabsorbed, while also absorbing some long-wave radiation that gets reflected back into space. Greenhouse gases trap heat the way glass walls of a greenhouse do. They include methane and nitrous oxide, but the paramount culprit is carbon dioxide. It significantly enhances the absorption and conversion of sunlight energy into heat. For thousands of years, emissions of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere have been well balanced by the amount of greenhouse gases that get naturally absorbed. These conditions have allowed human civilization to develop within a consistent climate. Photosynthesis enriches the planet with oxygen, as plants and algae and other organisms suck up CO2 from the air. Special clay minerals have also absorbed oxygen-consuming compounds into the sea floor. Volcanic eruptions emit particles that cool the Earth's surface, but only briefly, thus temporarily masking the full effect of CO2. Evidence shows that human activity contributes to global warming by adding to and changing the levels of the gases responsible for the greenhouse effect. Changes that have historically taken thousands of years are now happening over the course of decades. Thawing permafrost and the rapid retreat of glaciers in Greenland, Alaska, the Himalayas, the Antarctic Peninsula, and on high tropical mountains show that global snow cover is melting and that massive glaciers worldwide are disappearing fast. Water flows to the seas from glaciers and ice caps as ocean water warms and expands. Densely populated cities like Tokyo, Shanghai, Bangkok, and New York are all at risk. Scientists predict that floods and droughts are likely to increase in number and severity, and climate-related diseases like malaria can surge. Other signs of climate change are seen in drying forests and dying wildlife. Reducing the threat of global climate change starts with sharing technologies and resources to lower greenhouse gas emissions and using clean energy options where available, such as wind, solar, and wave power.